Hey everyone, this is my honest review about After Motion Z. On YouTube there are a lot of videos. In those videos you will hear that After Motion is better than Alight Motion and it is not lagging. Really, it is not lagging? Let's see. I am trying out effect selection to see if they are lagging or not, because it is believed by some that After Motion Z is not lagging. You can see that I have not applied the effect fully yet, and you can also see that After Motion is lagging. Both are lagging, so in my opinion, Alight Motion is still better, because Alight Motion is original. Apps such as After Motion Z and After Motion CC+ are modified. There is always risk to use modified version of any app. In the end, I would advise you to use the original Alight Motion app.